Countdown is on, and you're about to dive into the ultimate roundup of the best mirrorless camera. So welcome to the countdown, and get ready to see 5 standout picks that could transform how you shoot. From blazing autofocus to impressive low-light performance, these cameras represent the best the market has to offer. Today, I'm going to be going over the best mirrorless camera that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Canon EOS R100. Canon EOS R100 is an approachable entry point into interchangeable lens mirrorless photography that excels at everyday shooting and learning curves. Built around a compact, light body, it invites new creators to pick up the essentials and start exploring without being overwhelmed by menus full of jargon. Inside this package, you'll find a capable 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, paired with Canon's tried and true image processing and dual pixel autofocus system. What that means in practice is reliable focus on stills and video, quick subject detection for faces and eyes, and a forgiving color pipeline that helps skin tones red natural on a variety of lighting. R100 keeps the interface friendly with guided modes and Canon's dedication to accessibility. A big win for beginners who want to learn photography by actually taking pictures rather than endlessly hunting for settings. Its compact dimensions and a lightweight kit lens, such as the RF-S 18-45, make it easy to carry all day, whether you are at a park, a classroom, or a travel checkpoint. The video story remains straightforward as well, with 4000 video offering crisp detail and full HD options for slow motion and creative framing, while the microphone and headphone jacks give you room to grow your audio quality as you progress. You get built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to move clips to a phone or a cloud, and the USB-C port keeps charging and data transfer efficient when you are moving between shoots. The grip is approachable and comfortable. The grip thickness is balanced with the weight of the camera, ensuring you can shoot for hours without fatigue. While its autofocus is solid, the R100 shines most where its design meets discipline. It invites beginners to practice composition, lighting, and storytelling without the friction of a steep learning curve. Compared to the Canon EOS R50, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the R100 prioritizes simplicity and a smaller footprint, while the R50 adds more advanced autofocus and video options. At number 4, we have the Canon EOS R50. Canon EOS R50 positions itself as a more nimble option within Canon's APS-C ecosystem, designed for creators who want speed, flexibility, and strong video performance without climbing into a larger, more expensive camera. The heart of the R50 is a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor paired with Canon's modern autofocus system that tracks faces and eyes with reliability, making it a good choice for vloggers, travel filmmakers, and casual sports shooters. The body remains compact and accessible, yet it carries improvements such as a more responsive touchscreen interface, a configurable control ring, and a better overall control layout that supports more hands-on shooting when you want to push beyond auto modes. Video capability is a highlight here, with in-camera 4000 recording and options that give you clean color and detail, a must for content creators who want to deliver professional results without external rigs. This model also benefits from the rich RF-S and RF lens ecosystems, so you can start with a versatile 18-45 kit and later grow into longer, sharper glass without changing systems. Connectivity remains practical with built-in wireless transfer, simpler image sharing, and a strong battery life that encourages longer shooting sessions without frequent recharges. Ergonomically, the R50 is slightly more compact than a traditional full frame, yet it feels sturdy in hand and inviting to use all day. Compared to the Nikon Z50 II, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the R50 trades some reach for lighter handling and more accessible autofocus tuning, giving you a balanced option that works well for both photos and video. At number 3, we have the Nikon Z50 II. Nikon Z50 II sits in the same family as other modern APS-C mirrorless cameras, built for users who want a reliable blend of image quality, speed, and a friendly user experience. Z50 II emphasizes color rendering and ergonomics, with a robust grip and a tilting or vari-angle screen that makes it practical for vlogging and travel photography. Sensor and processing deliver sharp stills across a broad ISO range, while the autofocus system offers dependable eye and face detection in both stills and video, which is essential when you are capturing motion in daylight or mixed indoor lighting. Camera tends to be forgiving to beginners yet capable enough for more demanding work, including street photography and family moments. It supports 4000 video with smooth rolling shutter performance and decent detail, and it benefits from a strong native lens lineup that includes compact prime options and versatile zooms. One area where the Z50 II stands out is the tactile camera experience. The controls are intuitive, the menu system is straightforward, and the overall feel on the hand makes long shoots comfortable. Compared to the Canon EOS rate, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Z50 II emphasizes handling and color, while the rate leans toward higher resolution and broader, full-frame versatility. At number 2, we have the Canon EOS rate. Canon EOS rate marks a meaningful step up in a compact full-frame package, offering a balance between performance and portability that many creators crave. With a full-frame sensor that yields strong image quality and depth from shallow focus to low light, the rate also brings advanced autofocus performance to everyday shooting. The camera is quick to lock onto faces and eyes, delivering accurate tracking in both stills and in video. And its color science is tuned for pleasing skin tones and natural saturation in a wide range of scenes. The body design prioritizes a slim form factor, but the control system remains rich enough for enthusiasts who want to fine-tune their settings without feeling buried in menus. For video, the rate supports 4000 recording with quality that holds up well when color grading, and it also offers robust slow motion and reliable auto exposure control. The lens ecosystem around this full-frame Canon system opens up exciting possibilities, from fast primes that render subject isolation to ultra-wide lenses for landscape and architecture. Connectivity tools are everyday practical, including reliable wireless transfer, and the camera is friendly to new shooters while still offering room to grow toward more demanding projects. Compared to the Sony α7 IV, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the rate brings strong performance for a lighter, more affordable full-frame option. But the A7 IV keeps a wider feature set, longer battery life, and a broader video toolset. At number 1, we have the Sony α7 IV. Sony α7 IV is a powerhouse flagship-style option that often becomes the workhorse for enthusiasts and professionals who demand a mature feature set in a single body. Its full-frame sensor delivers high resolution, excellent dynamic range, and consistent performance across stills and video, with a focus system that tracks faces and eyes with impressive reliability in a variety of lighting conditions. Photographers, the A7 IV shines with fast, continuous shooting, precise AF acquisition, and a color science that supports natural tones and pleasing contrast. For videographers, the 4000 recording journey is compelling with 10-bit 4:2 output, robust bitrate, and options to tailor color and exposure for cinematic looks. Body design emphasizes durability and ergonomic handling, with a substantial grip and well-placed controls that feel intuitive when you switch between stills and video. The in-body image stabilization system helps stabilize handheld footage and paired with flexible stabilization in lenses. It makes moving moments feel steady and professional. The ecosystem around the A7 IV is expansive, spanning a wide range of lenses and accessories that let you build a complete kit, from travel-friendly primaries to fast telephotos for action. Paired to the Canon EOS R100, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Sony α7 IV offers a broader feature set, stronger autofocus in challenging conditions, and more video power, while the R100 remains an excellent entry point for those who want to learn the craft with a lighter tool and a simpler learning curve.